Hey guys, Mitch here with the TheAudioDabbler YouTube channel, and today I'm doing something a little bit different than I haven't done in the past, but I think I'm going to do a little more of these. This is a timed sound design challenge, and I'll get into the details in just a moment, so let's get started. Alright, so this right here is going to be one of many, hopefully, sound design challenges that I put up on my channel. And it's really good for just helping you find a workflow, see if your workflow is great, because if you can, bang something out in 10 minutes, that's, you've got a pretty good workflow. Or you can see the kinks. Oh, well, I don't know where to do. I don't know what apps to use and all this thing. You start fumbling around and you realize 10 minutes goes by quickly. So if you can do something in 10 minutes or 30 minutes, it's very, very helpful. And so on Twitch, there is a guy I follow, MussarMusic, and if you're not familiar with Twitch, it's a huge community of people that a lot of people stream games. It's mainly for streaming games, but people stream anything from aerobics to drumming to cover songs to art, sculpting, painting, drawing, just cooking, anything you could possibly think of. Somebody's streaming it. I promise you that. But so MussarMusic, I'll leave a link in the description below to his Twitch channel. He does these. He's a music producer and he does these challenges. Well, I don't usually have a lot of time to participate in the challenge. I will leave his channel up and kind of interact with the chat sometimes, but just hearing him talk about his processes and things like that, kind of helps me with my processes. And so he did a 10-minute challenge, and I screen recorded because he requested, he wanted to kind of see my workflow on the iPad because he was interested in that, and I'm always definitely down for showing people what they can do with their iPads and iPhones. And so this is that 10-minute challenge. I'm going to play that video and then I will see you at the end.
Oh my god, this? Dude, what?
Hey, let's. About this. About this. About this. About this. About this.
Shut up, Batman Jesus. Shut up, Batman Jesus. What? Why?
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. You found some, value in this video. It was really fun for me to do that challenge with MussarMusic on Twitch and submit it. Everybody's submitting on his Discord, and then he plays them all on the channel and gives feedback on that. So that was really fun. I definitely would suggest you check out his channel. He does Ableton Live a lot and other things, but it's really good just to see different people's process and see it in a live environment where you can interact, and it's just really fun. And so in the comments below, what did you think about this? Did you think this sound design was interesting? Is that something you want to maybe incorporate? I would definitely suggest incorporating some sound design challenges in your weekly, daily routine, because it just helps you kind of build up loops, build up things, and see where the holes are in your process. Or even, hey, I got to work quickly, so maybe I can experiment and develop some new processes, a new app that can make this loop really quickly, and then I can incorporate that into something else. And so leave a comment below on what you thought, and any suggestions as far as sound design challenges I can do. I'll probably do a lot more with MussarMusic, and then just as I'm doing them, record them and then just throw them up on my channel, just to give you guys some extra fun workflow kind of content, because I like watching Against the Clock by Fact TV, and I've always wanted to do this kind of thing. And so yeah, it was really fun. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up are always appreciated. Thumbs down, if you want to give me a thumbs down, tell me you didn't like the video, that's okay. If you're into supporting content creators like myself and others, we always have a Patreon account, and most of us have a direct PayPal me link if you want to support content creators that way. If not, share it on your favorite social media site, and I will talk to you guys later.